Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you might be checking out BzzAgent. You maybe landed on this website and you're wondering, hey, can I actually do some product testing and make some money from this site? How does this actually work? Well, I'm going to review BzzAgent for you today to see whether it is a good site, because I've reviewed hundreds of sites like this and there are the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's take a look at BzzAgent and whether this is really worth your time. All right. Now, BzzAgent is basically a product testing website that allows you to join for free. So you could just click up here, join now, right? And you just fill in all your details. And what's going to happen on the back end is after you log in, they're going to ask you for some of your personal information, your username, your email, and then they're going to make you take a quick little survey to find out a little bit more about yourself, your background, your demographics, all right? And then what they do basically is they work with different companies that want them to test their products. So you'll basically get samples of these products if you fit the right criteria, and you must be either in the US, Canada, or the UK at the time of recording this video, because they're not available in any other part of the world, right? So they will basically ask you different questions on beauty, fashion, DIY, fitness, cooking and wine, that sort of thing, and they really want to know about your experience in those particular areas, right? So can you actually make any money from BzzAgent? Well, the thing is that they don't really pay in cash. The way they pay it is they give you a sample of the products that you're testing. That's pretty much it. So you get a sample of the products that you're testing, you take the questionnaires based around those products, and that's pretty much it. The only other way that you can make, I guess, more money from them is they will send you surveys that you can fill out once in a while to their partner program, which is MyPoints. Okay, so MyPoints is basically, it's not really a cash program, it's more of a gift card rewards program, and they have surveys that you can take. All right, so for every survey that you take, you'll get a certain amount of points per survey, which you can then exchange for different types of gift cards like Walmart, like eBay, like Target. You get the idea, okay? And so BzzAgent does partner with MyPoints, and you'll see that once you're registered as a member of BzzAgent, because they are basically they've got your email address, right? So they work in partnership. You get free products here for testing them. You can rack up some points here and get gift cards, but are you really getting cash? Not really, okay? So it's not like some other product testing sites where they actually pay you out cash and you can withdraw it through PayPal. It doesn't really work like that. This is more free products, and then you can also fill out some surveys and then get points and then exchange those points for gift cards. But again, those gift cards, it does take a while for you to add up those points, okay? So if you are taking lots of surveys from MyPoints, for example, you're only getting an average of about 50 cents to $2 for every long survey that you fill out. So if you think about it, it is going to take you a little bit of time to even get up to $10, all right? Because you can't sit there and fill out 50 surveys a day. That's not really how survey websites work. Again, it depends on your demographic, it depends on where you live, it depends on your interests, and then based on that, you will get, maybe one survey a week, one survey a month, maybe one survey a day. It just depends on, again, all of those factors that we spoke about earlier, all right? So are you really gonna get rich from this particular type of strategy? Not really, but if you're somebody that's interested in just testing products and getting, some samples for free, and on top of that, you can fill out some surveys as well with MyPoints and exchange those into some cheap, I would say, gift cards, maybe $5 gift cards, $10 gift cards every once in a while. Then this might be a good strategy for you. Okay, but are you going to become rich? Are you going to become a millionaire? Is this going to pay your mortgage? Absolutely not, because that's not what it's designed to do, and they never do. They never advertise that that's their strategy anyway. All right, so if you want to check out BzzAgent and fill out some surveys, make a couple of get some free sample products, or also fill out some surveys and maybe get some gift cards, and you can check BzzAgent out at BzzAgent.com. I hope you enjoyed this review today, and if you're a little bit more interested in learning how to make bigger money online, I would love to show you how to do it. I want to show you my favorite strategy on getting to your first $10,000 a month. You can check that out if you want by registering for my free 6-figure workshop in the description box or in the comment section below, and I hope to see you there. All the best, and see you in another video.